Trans Am time here, unique, especially in classics. 10th anniversary edition, 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. T-top car. Numbers matching 403 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a numbers matching automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. Platinum paint with the silver and charcoal bird, and more along the charcoal paint color on the top also. And they are the mirrored glass T-tops. Also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. I have had the compressor kick on and off. It looks like it's still R12. May need to be converted or charged, but the compressor does kick on and off. So let me give you the heads up on that. Also power windows, power locks. Nicely equipped on the interior. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can check out that engine bay. You'll be able to see the stamping on the engine block. If you want to check out the tranny and the stamping on the tranny to make sure the numbers matching is all there. Maybe you want to see the data tag, the VIN, the underside of this car. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Be over 100 pictures of this car online. There's those 15-inch turbo wheels. Correct wheels for the anniversary car, 79. Interior will be silver, bucket seats up front. Center console. And you can see the sides free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, there's a couple spots here and there. A little bit of touch up. You can see that little touch up there. There's one up on the front fascia, maybe a couple along the edge of the door. But boy, I'm getting awful fussy. This is a car, get in and drive it, have some fun. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, and your local shows. This car does show well. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also have an open door policy. Maybe you can't make it to Unique to check it out yourself. You can sure have a third-party inspector come take a look at this. We also have technicians in our shop that we do go through the cars before they head out to the customers. So if you'd like to talk to a sales consultant and see what kind of inspection was done and what we found out on this one, feel free to call. Once again, 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look and see that the gaskets up on the top all appear to be in good shape. Believed to be original miles on this one, a little over 66,000 is all. Yes, it is a true anniversary car. It's the Y89 code on the data tag, and you'll be able to see that data tag in the still pictures. It does have a 10-bolt 8.5 GM rear end with 273 gears in it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior a little closer. We'll fire it up, let you look underneath the hood. We'll listen to it run. Take a look at the door panels. You'll be able to see the underside of the doors in the still pictures. Look good on this one. As far as the interior, it's kind of what you'd expect. You're going to have some natural wrinkling as the seats are sat in and used over the years. You don't really see any rips, tears, holes, anything major, just kind of your natural wearing and aging that you'd expect. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I did have the radio working. It is an 8-track stereo also. I did not have an 8-track to try in there. Radio was working. I noticed the clock did not. Tach does. See oil pressure going up. Oil pressure gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp to be up. There's what the miles read, 66,855. Now once the car becomes so old, it doesn't stay with the title. It's marked exempt, so I can't confirm or deny. but the information passed between previous owners, believed to be original miles. Rear defrost. And again, AC compressor does kick on and off. Get that idle down just a little bit. There we go. I'll warm up a tad. Door closes nicely. So no crazy over-the-top exhaust, wild cam, anything like that. Just a good sounding car that'll be fun to get in and go and drive. Enjoy some shows in the summertime, especially with those T-tops out. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's pop the hood, and we're going to take a look at this engine bay. There's the underside of the hood. Take a peek at that. Here's that numbers matching 403 paired up with an automatic transmission, also numbers matching. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Here's all the AC components are here. Has not been converted. Still R12. Very stock looking. Nice tidy engine bay and sounds good. Runs smooth. You'll be able to see it from every angle in the pictures, the underside, interior, trunk. Just take your time looking through those. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. This is in a nice silver color. The iconic bird on the hood. This car starts and runs really nice. All our gauges do appear to work. Oil pressure's over 40. We're doing 55 right now. And there is a slight gap on the weather stripping right by the camera and still not making that much wind noise. Wipers are not working on this car. Blower motor does. The switch is a little touchy. If you move it a little bit, it works. So just get it in the right spot. They do seem to work on all settings. Both blinker indicators function. This car goes straight down the road. I'm not pulling either direction. No wheel shimmies or shakes. Maybe a little squeak in the suspension. But it is cold outside. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota. I believe we're still under 10 degrees Fahrenheit right now. But the roads are dry for the most part, and we do wash our cars. So we can do these driving videos for you. This feels like a reliable car. We got an automatic on the floor, easy to drive, comfortable. Always like these Trans Ams. Definitely recommend checking it out on uniqueclassiccars.com.